What's up guys? Welcome to yet another Barbershop tag-along tutorial video. And this week's tag is the tag called Where Is She, My Love? It's written by Mike Slamka, the lead of Crossroads and Power Play. The lyrics sounds like this. Bass begins with my love, then the rest says where is she, where is she? My love, post on tenor. My love, my love. Simple as that. Bass starts on 5. My love, where is she? My love, my love, my love. The tenor starts on 1. Where is she? Where is she? My love. Post. The baritone starts on 3. Where is she? Where is she? My love, my love, my love. Lead starts on 5. Where is she? Where is she? My love, my love. And there you have it, all 4 parts to the awesome tag Where is she, my love. Let's listen to all 4 parts together. My love, where is she? Where is she? My love, my love, my love. Okay, so now that you know how to sing all 4 parts, it's time for you to tag along. In this next section, I'm going to play you the parts missing tracks, and then you can sing your voice alongside the rest of the 3 parts. Please enjoy and have fun. My love, where is she? Where is she? My love, my love. My love, where is she? Where is she? My love, my love, my love. My love, where is she? Where is she? My love, my love, my love. My love, where